Software development is changing fast, and AI is becoming a bigger part of the development workflow. Today, developers are using AI not just to write code, but also to manage repositories, review pull requests, fix issues, and automate repetitive development tasks. One platform gaining attention in this space is Codegen AI. Instead of acting like a simple coding assistant, Codegen AI is designed to help development teams automate parts of their software workflow and reduce the amount of manual work involved in maintaining code bases. But is it actually useful, and who is it best suited for? In this video, we will take an honest look at Codegen AI, its features, strengths, limitations, and whether it is worth considering. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover the tools that improve productivity and efficiency. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to learn more about Codegen AI and if there are any available offers. By using the description link, any available promotion that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. What Codegen AI actually does. Codegen AI is built to help software teams automate development workflows that normally require a lot of manual effort. Instead of focusing only on generating code snippets, the platform aims to understand repositories, analyze code bases, assist with pull requests, and support code review process. For development teams working on large projects, this can potentially save a significant amount of time. One of the platform's most interesting capabilities is repository awareness. Traditional AI coding tools often focus on individual files or small code examples. Codegen AI is designed to work with a broader understanding of a project's structure. This allows it to provide suggestions that are more relevant to the actual code base rather than generating isolated pieces of code without context. Another area where Codegen AI stands out is pull request automation. Reviewing pull requests can consume a large portion of a developer's time, especially in active times. Codegen AI helps analyze proposed changes, identify potential issues, summarize updates, and provide feedback before human reviewers spend time evaluating every detail manually. This can make code reviews more efficient and helps teams to move faster. Code reviews are important for maintaining quality, identifying bugs, enforcing standards, and sharing knowledge across teams. However, reviewing code manually can be repetitive and time consuming. AI assisted reviews can help highlight potential concerns, suggest improvements, and bring attention to areas that may require closer inspection. The platform also aims to reduce repetitive engineering work. Many development teams spend time to maintain tasks, small fixes, documentation update, and routine repository management. By automating some of these activities, developers can spend more time focusing on higher value work such as designing features and solving complex problems. Now let's talk about who this tool is best for. Codegen AI is primarily designed for software teams and engineering organizations rather than casual users. Individual developers may still find value in the platform, but the biggest benefit often appear when multiple developers collaborate on shared repositories and development workflows. For startups and growing engineering teams, automation can become increasingly valuable as projects expand and code bases become more difficult to manage manually. Another important consideration is team productivity. The goal of tools like Codegen AI is not necessarily to replace developers. Instead, they help reduce the amount of repetitive work developers handle every day. When used effectively, AI can accelerate workflows while still keeping humans in control of critical decisions. Of course, there are some limitations. AI generated suggestions should never be accepted blindly. Code reviews, security checks, architecture decisions, and business logic still require human judgment. Development teams should view AI as an assistant rather than a replacement for engineering expertise. It is also important to consider integration with existing workflows. Teams should evaluate how well the platform fits into their development process before making it part of their daily operations. So, what's the final verdict? If you are a part of the software team that spends significant time reviewing pull requests, maintaining repositories, and managing development workflows, Codegen AI offers an interesting approach to automation. It focuses on repository understanding, pull request assistance, and code review support that makes it more specialized than many general purpose of AI coding tools. For individual developers, the value will depend on workflow complexity, but for engineering teams who is looking to improve efficiency and reduce repetitive work, Codegen AI is the certainly worth exploring. That brings us to the end of this review. Hopefully this video helped you to understand what Codegen AI offers and whether it is the right fit for your development workflow. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the description link for more information and available offers. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.